Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay August 3, 2022, Miyerkules. At welcome po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating balita na ating i-share sa inyo ay tungkol sa SM Investments. Kung first time niyo po sa channel na ito, ako po si Benji Chodoro, isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Ginagawa ko po ito araw-araw at magdadalawang taon na po tayo. Nag-start po tayo August of 2020. I also report the latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stocks. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, inimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, paki-comment lang po sa comment box at ating ipa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Anything I say dito po sa ating channel ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong aalis dahil ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating PSE ngayong araw, August 3, 2022, dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. So let's start with our financial headlines. At galing po ito ng BDO Securities. Higher rates won't kill growth, sabi ni BSP. High demand, low rates prompt full T-bond award. So nasa 5.25% na po siya, no? At yung reference rate, or bond reference rate is at 5.908. SEC approves SM acquisition of PGPC. Ito po yung ating main news. MBT post 33% growth in first half of 2022. Then SEC net profit surge 311% year-on-year in first half of 2022. Pure Gold earnings up 5% year-on-year, 4.2 billion in first half of 2022. So, marami na pong positive na earnings reports, no? So, tingnan po natin yung ating main news. Galing po sa Business World, SMIC gets regulatory nod to acquire geothermal firm. So, mag-expand na itong si SM Investments to include power. SM Investments or SMIC has acquired full ownership of Philippine Geothermal Production Company Inc., the operator of Tiwi and Macben steam fields, through a 15.76 billion share swap deal with All First Equity Holdings Inc. The acquisition of PGPC is sizable, accretive to our shareholders, and a strong strategic fit with our portfolio of investments in high-growth sectors in the Philippines, said Frederick C. Dibuncio, President and CEO of SMIC, in a stock exchange disclosure on Tuesday. He added that the deal further reinforces the SM Group's commitment to sustainability, good governance, and acting as a catalyst for responsible development in the communities we serve. In the disclosure, SMIC said that it received on August 1 the approval of the SEC to acquire 81% stake in related parties in All First, the holding company for PGPC, in exchange for shares in SMIC. SMIC said the deal will bring the company's ownership to PGCP to 100%. The transaction also involves the issuance of 17.44 million new shares to the sellers, or 1.4% of shares outstanding in SMIC. The steam fields in Tiwi, Albay, and Macben, or Makiling Banahaw in Laguna and Batangas, generate a combined steam enough to produce 300 megawatts of electricity. Aside from the two steam fields, PGCP also has several greenfield concession areas for geothermal steam production, which it plans to develop in the future. TV is the first commercial-scale geothermal steam field development in Southeast Asia, followed by MacBen. Both are operators since 1979. Okay, so yan po ating main news from the business world. And before we proceed, kahapon po na-meet ko po yung one of our subscribers at dating office mate si Junjun Sarial, ano? And he was requesting to review DMCI and SCC or feature ko raw siya. And mamaya titignan po natin yon at pati yung fundamentals, pero nakikita ko lang po sa fundamentals nito ay May pa po eh. So mamaya silipin po natin. Tapos yung inyong YouTube request, ano? Meron po dito si Chito Gomez, no? Good day po. Kindly review SECB. Thanks so much. Still praying for the speedy recovery of your cousin. Salamat po. Salamat po sa inyo, Chito. At re-reviewin po natin tong SECB at salamat po sa panalangin ninyo. And then, nandito rin po si Isip Roman, ano? Meron siya, Sir Eagle Cement request, please. Okay, sige po, sama po natin yan. Then si Paulo Araneta, advance congrats, sir. Second year. For your second year, more power, wishing you more subscribers. Okay, salamat po sa inyo. Sa emitter Camtech, dito bench, nakabili ako ng MER kanina. Good to sell soon. Okay, salamat po. At ang MER, actually, minomonitor ko kanina ay umakyat tapos bumagsak uli, no? And I really don't know the reason kung bakit bumababa po siya. Pero kung long-term investor po kayo, goodbye po yung MER kahit na po bumabagsak. Meron pong dividends po yan, ano? Nasa 5.80.6 or 5 pesos 80.60 centavos or 0.6 centavos ang MER ngayon. At mamaya reviewin po natin. And so, punta na po tayo sa ating index. Ang PSE index gained 67.78 points. Nasa 4,030.08 na, no? Or 1.07% up. So, up po siya since nag-start po siyang umakyat noong July 26 pero paunti-unti lang po. So, on the short term, ang ating index ay up, ano, or bullish. Pagdating sa medium at long term ay, well, sideways, no, pero nasa itaas pa rin po ang ating long term indicator, meaning na hindi pa po fully nagbabago yung trend. But RSI ay bullish na po, nasa 57.74. Yung ating market activity naman, 89 companies ang bumaba, 88 ang umabante at 52 ang hindi nagbago. Ang all-share index po natin ay umakyat bahagya ng 0.74%. Yung ating sectoral indices ay mixed ang resulta. Ang financials, holding companies at industrials ay positive, no? Led by the holding companies at 2.06%. Mining, properties, and services are down. Ang pinakamalaking down ay ang mining at 1.10%. Yung ating most active stocks naman ay tignan po natin ang inyong request, ano? SECB, Eagle, MER, tignan po natin. Metro Pacific, meron po siyang earnings report at meron din siyang dividends. SCC at DMI, request po ito ni Junjun Sarial. Okay, so tingnan po natin ngayon ang SECB. Hindi po ito umabot kahapon eh. So, ngayon po natin ipaprioritize si, I believe this is Chito, no? Chito Gomez. Okay, maraming salamat Chito ha, sa iyo. And umpisa na natin. Uy, laki ng bagsak ni SECB, oh. malaki siya. Nasa 81 ngayon and it lost 3 pesos or 3.57%. At ano siya? Bearish tong SECB. May earnings report kaya ito? Tingnan natin. Wala pa yata earnings report itong SECB eh. Pero I think kaya bumagsak ito ay nawala siya sa index. Ito, PSE shakes up main index, Semirara in Security Bank. Kaya pala tumataas si Semirara because napasama siya sa index. Ito, July 29 to eh. So, basahin ko lang. The Philippine Stock Exchange announced Friday that the composition of the PSE index, the local stock barometer, has changed. In a statement, the PSE said that its index review from July 2021 to June 2022 showed that Semirara Mining and Power was qualified to be a member of the 30-company PSEI. The Consuni-led SEC will replace Security Bank in the main index. Kaya siya bumagsak. The change in composition will take effect on August 8. To qualify for inclusion in the PSEI, a listed firm should be among the top companies in terms of liquidity, market capitalization, the local bourse operators said. So that was the reason kung bakit tumataas si SEC, and this is September, yesterday, no? Kaya siya bumaba. SECB at saka si Semirara titingnan natin mamaya. Pero I think ito lang ay temporary, no? Temporary lang po ito. So, pagka nadidislodge sa index, so ang pinaka-support ni SECB, nandito po sa ang resistance and support or support na naging resistance is nasa 90.66 and the next support level nandito po ito 80.28 or 81 to 80.28. Balik natin sa 1. Yan po, support na po yan based on a 1-week chart. At kung bababa pa po tayo ay lalayo pa po tayo ng data, no? Pero so far, support area na po itong 81 and it is bearish. Oversold po si RSI ni SECB. So, the trend ay dating sideways na naging bumaba dahil na-exclude po siya sa index. Okay, so that was 5 days ago. Yung balitang yan. Then Eagle ay good news ba ito? Mukhang good news tong si Eagle Cement eh. Yan! 1384 na. So bumabagsak siya pero biglang nag-turn around dito. Dito pa lang, meron pong breakout. July 26, nagkaroon ng red candlesticks tapos tumaas. May doji dito. Overbought na po yung stock. Overbought na po itong Eagle. I would say that the breakout started here, July 26. Doji itong July 29. Tapos inverted hammer itong August 1. And then August 2 ay Dragonfly Doji pero mataas yung doji niya. So, ano masasabi natin dito sa Eagle? Bullish po siya. Overbought na po ang kanyang relative strength index. Overbought yung stock. Nasa 72 na po siya. And this is resistance level. Yan. 13.85 13.84 yung resistance level niya. And the next resistance, nandito po, sa area to nasa 1478. Yan po, no? At Eagle kasi is a subsidiary of San Miguel, ano? Ito yung ginagamit nilang semento sa kanilang tollways at construction. Construction material to eh. Ginagamit ng San Miguel sa kanilang construction works, ano? Malakas ang construction ngayon sa mga buildings, sa tollways, sa toll roads. So yan po si Eagle and it is bullish, ha? So, ang pinaka-support nandito po, no? Nasa baba. Yan, nasa 1208 pero malayo na po yung support level eh. No? So, yan po ang aking nakikita for Eagle. Then, Meralco. So, Meralco patuloy pa siyang bumababa although meron siyang dividends. Ex-date is August 18 pa. So, kung gusto niyo ng dividend play, ay Meralco po tayo, no? At kung kukumputin po natin yung dividend rate o dividend yield ni Meralco, makukompute po natin yan. Nagbigay po siya noong March 25 na 10.226 plus 5.806. That's 16 pesos and 3 centavos divided by 312. 5% na yun, no? 5% dividend yield times 0.9 without the tax. 4.6% for the year, for the year. So, this is not bad, ha? Pero nag-oversold na po si Meralco dito, ha? Yan po, no? Kasi bihira po mag-overbought at oversold yan, eh. So, pagka nag-oversold po yan, ina-expect po natin na magre-reverse po yung stock sometime or anytime soon. At hindi po natin malaman kung bakit ganito po yung movement ni Meralco, no? Perhaps market sentiment. Meron news dito, singil sa kuryente posibleng tumaas dahil sa hirit ng San Miguel Meralco. Price sensitive kasi yan, eh. And highly regulated ang mga kumpanyang to, no? So, tumaas lang yung presyo ng kuryente ay maraming nagagalit. Yan po. Si Meralco, bearish po siya and it is already oversold. So, yung ating gawin natin yung 1-week chart. Okay, this is already support level. Ang pinaka-support po niya nandito. Nasa 307 and the next lower support nandito po sa area to, nasa 288. But since oversold na po yung stock, ay we expect in the following days na magre-reverse po yan. Dahil ang relative strength index is oversold at 26, almost 27. Yan. Okay, so yan po si Meralco. Metro Pacific naman, tinignan ko si Metro Pacific, may dividends po ito. So, declaration of cash dividends. Magkano yung dividends niya? Okay, ex-date is August 17. Declaration of cash dividends to common shareholders, 3.45 centavos per share. Yan, 3.45 centavos per share. So, computin nga natin yung dividend yield. 0.0345 plus 0.0678 plus 0.0082 1105. So total dividends na naibigay niya is 1105 including this dividend, ano, divided by 3.64 o 3.03% times 0.9, 2.7 ang dividend yield niya. Well, okay lang, no? So almost the inflation rate. Anyway, so yan po si Metro Pacific at just moving sideways. So solid red candlestick po siya ngayon. Ang pinaka-support niya nandito sa area to, 3.44. The next higher support level nandito sa 358. But the resistance, the nearest that I can see is 378. So more or less it's moving, the trend is downwards to sideways o pa-side lang po or pa straight line, no? Right straight line. So sideways po 'yan. So yan po si Metro Pacific. And then next, silipin lang natin yung ating Metro Pacific may buy rating po siya at 68 pesos yung fundamental price or 39% upside. Ay, sorry po, iba yung nakita ko. 7 pesos pala yung Metro Pacific or an 86.7% upside. Yan, naduling lang. Okay. And then after Metro Pacific, ito yung request ni Junjun, SEC. Yan, so that's the reason kung bakit tumataas si SEC at overvalued yung kanyang stock. Kasi yung kanyang fundamental price is 35 pesos nasa 40.85 ano? It's because napasama siya sa index. Okay, napasama siya sa 30 company index ng Philippine Stock Exchange starting August 8. Anyway, pataas po yan, and yung study po sa BDOSEC is this, ano? But this is May 11 pa, no? So, kailangan i-update po ito. So, meron siyang buy rating, surging call prices underpin outperformance. So, from 32 pesos, tinaas po niya sa 35, but now it's at 40.85, ano? So, overvalued yung stock. Pero kailangan i-update po ito. Baka hindi na po 35 yung target price dito. So, yan po, no? So, medyo, I will not get into this today, no? Antayin po natin yung updated report. Okay? So, in the meantime, pataas po si SEC. If we will be drawing a parallel channel, yan po, no? Support is at 37 pesos and resistance is at 43.20. Support and resistance, di po siya exact points, but these are areas. Now, RSI nasa 62, almost 63, at bullish po si SEC. And then DMC, yan, 9.49. At tingnan natin yung fundamentals ni DMC. Yan. So, dati neutral siya. Ngayon, upgraded to buy. Again, this is May 11, ano? So, from 950, in-increase niya to 990. Ngayon, ay nasa 949. So, konti na lang pong upside niya. So, that's about, I would say, DMC Holdings, mga 7 to 8% upside. Ganun, ano? 7 to 6 to 7% upside. So, bullish po ang stock with support here at 921 and resistance is here at 967. Okay. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-3 ng Agosto 2022. Ito po si Benji Chidoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay at hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.